SpaceX lists June 12th. Valuation, 1.75 trillion. Largest IPO in history. Before you decide to buy in, 5 questions. Let's score your FOMO. Count how many fit. 1. You searched how to buy SpaceX, NASA, or SpaceX IPO date. 2. You ran the math on Tesla, NVDA, GameStop, Bitcoin. What if I'd bought back then? 3. When your friend posted gains, you opened the screenshot. 4. You opened your brokerage app and checked how much SpaceX or NASA you could buy. 5. You've clicked on other "should I buy SpaceX" videos. 3 or more. The bag holder is you. FOMO isn't your fault. It's how the IPO mechanism naturally uses you. The design. 3 places you feel left out, times 2 amplifiers. 5 components. SpaceX hits all 5. That's why it's the biggest in history. Next 4 minutes. 1. 4 things hidden in the prospectus. 2. How I'd trade FOMO before IPO. 3. What to wait for after IPO. By the way, this video itself uses FOMO tactics. Difference is, I use it to help you see through. They use it to make you the bag holder. 4 things from the prospectus, all searchable on SEC Watch. You'll reconsider. Hi everyone, I'm Lance. Welcome back. This is my personal take, not financial advice. Risk 1. Overpriced by 43%. IPO price, 1.75 trillion. Institutional fair value range, 1.1 to 1.7 trillion. Buy on IPO day, you eat 43% premium first. Quick anchor, that's 40% larger than Berkshire Hathaway, equal to Tesla and Coca-Cola combined. That 43% pays old shareholders and bankers, not you. Risk 2. AI is bleeding the company dry. From the prospectus summary, AI lost $6.35 billion in 1 year. Capex, $12.7 billion. Q1 2026, 3/4 of all company spending went to AI. SpaceX hasn't gone public in 24 years. Why raise up to $75 billion now? Because AI showed up. Cash isn't enough anymore. Risk 3. Bridge loan pressure. Your IPO money may pay off old debt. April this year, SpaceX took a $20 billion bridge loan. For what? To absorb $17.5 billion of high-interest debt from X and XAI. One trigger buried in the loan terms. If other funding isn't found within 6 months of IPO, SpaceX may be required to use IPO proceeds to repay. Translation: you're not investing in space. You may be paying off X and XAI's old debt. Risk 4. Abnormally loose lockup structure. Normal IPO lockup, 180 days. SpaceX is different. Some insiders have 90 to 180-day flexible lockup. As early as 90 days, they can start unloading. Musk himself stays locked for 180 days, but his early investors and employees, many can exit early. Once it expires, possibly the largest single-day insider sell-off in history. 4 risks. Done. Should you buy? When? 2 more sections. Concrete actions. What about before the IPO? My play. Trade the FOMO. Not a long-term hold. Get in fast. Get out faster. Eat the sentiment premium. Exit before IPO day. But let me say up front, this is trading, not investing. If you've never traded short-term, listen, but don't act. Skip ahead to the after IPO section. This isn't financial advice. It's my personal playbook. Pick SpaceX proxies, not SpaceX itself. 3 names: DXYZ, Rocket Lab, AST, Space Mobile. Why do these rally? Closer to IPO, search volume explodes. Retail can't buy SpaceX direct. They grab these. Be in 2 weeks before them. That's the edge. 3 iron rules. 1. Entry, 2 to 4 weeks before IPO. 2. Exit, 1 week before IPO. Historically, 60 to 70% of major tech IPOs sell off post-IPO. Exiting 1 week early equals trading 30% potential upside for 70% downside protection. 3. Position size, max 2%. Trading, not investing. 1 step slow, you take the bag. After the IPO? 1 line. Don't chase IPO day. Wait for 3 green lights. Light 1. Wait for lockup to expire. Some insiders can start selling at 90 days. Wait 180 plus 2 weeks. Light 2. Wait for price to come back. Offering price, 1.75 trillion. Institutional fair value, 1.1 to 1.7 trillion. Drop into that range, then act. Light 3. Is Starlink still growing? Quarterly net adds over 1.5 million. Green. Between 1 and 1.5 million. Yellow. Observe. Below 1 million. Red. Run. All 3 green. Buy in tranches. Any 1 red. Wait for next quarter. Missing the train won't kill you. Boarding the wrong one will. How many of the 5 FOMO questions you hit doesn't matter anymore. What matters, now you see the design. SpaceX is the biggest FOMO IPO in history. But you're not the one being designed anymore.